This is my vRoid avatar tracking my face in real time on a Mac. I'm using a basic webcam and software that costs less than a cup of coffee. Here's exactly how I set this up and why this is one of the few options that actually works on macOS. Alright, so for this project, you'll need a Mac or Windows PC, your vRoid model exported and ready to go, a webcam, even a basic one works, and the Webcam Motion Capture software, linked below. Alright, so we're going to go to the website and download the software. And once you're subscribed, it's only about $3 a month. You can get going with your vRoid avatar. Now, there is a free version that you can try out, so just download the software and you can test out the motion tracking and see if it fits your needs. So now that we have the software downloaded, let's unarchive the file and copy the applications to our applications folder. Now, let's open up the Webcam Motion Receiver app. You may need to provide the correct permissions before macOS will let you open it. Once it opens, you can either log in to your subscription or try the software for free. Alright, so now we'll go on and import our vRoid model. It should load pretty quickly, and if your model looks weird at first or is far away, don't panic. We'll fix this in a second. We can use the sliders on the left to adjust the properties like height and distance. Here's where the magic happens. Once you're happy with your model's framing, return to your applications folder and open the Webcam Motion Capture app. Ensure your webcam is selected. Once it's open and running, your model will begin following your movement. So now we can test it out, moving our head around, putting some hands up, seeing how the motion tracks. Tracking isn't perfect, but it's way better than I expected. That's it. If you've got a vRoid ready, you can literally start vTubing today for less than the cost of one. And if you keep the subscription for a few months, you might end up owning the software outright, which is exactly what happened to me. I'm still figuring this out, so if you've tried this or if you have tips on how I could improve, please feel free to drop them below in the comment. Alright, see you in the next one.